Hello guys, today's video is on the top 5 best air fryers. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to get a product of solid quality, and at the same time save money, we have singled out the GoWise USA 5.8 quart 8-in-1 digital air fryer for you. Thanks to the surprisingly low price for the quality it delivers. This device has won the place of the best budget air fryer available on the market now. The advantages of this fella are quite astonishing. Starting from its cheap through design, and of course performance, the 5.8 CT has enough capacity for any type of meal, family, or individual. The product comes with a timer and will turn off at the end of the preparation. It is completely safe. It has the ability to adjust the temperature you need to set up the desired work mode based on your preferences, and the device is good to go. Additionally, the GoWise utilizes adhesive parts for quick and easy washing, saving you time. Note that some parts can easily go directly into the dishwasher. The product comes with a touch screen without buttons, which is a big advantage, because it keeps things more practical and durable. We all know how buttons can be damaged and hassle that causes. You can prepare recipes from any kind, from pieces of meat, pork, shrimp, fish, pizza, chicken, French fries, vegetables, etc. The list is endless. Despite the size, the device is quite light, easy to adjust, and consumes little energy. Prepare food faster, with an oil-free fryer that is versatile and easy to program. The device comes with 8 different functions for preparing your favorite dishes. Just turn it on. Select the desired work mode, and the air blower will do the rest. The programmed options are French fries, ribs, shrimp, cake, complete chicken, steak, fish, and pizza. With the GoWise 8-in-1 you can bake, fry, roast, dehydrate, and defrost. And the best thing is that you will improve your productivity, because with the GoWise fryer you can reduce cooking time by up to 40%. Next on our list of reviews is the Ninja Air Fryer, which we have awarded the title of the best versatile air fryer that you can find in the market. Ninja air fryers are known for their high resistance to rough use, innovation, and ease of use. These machines are made to last many days of frequent use in your kitchen. With the Ninja Fryer you can make anything, from French fries, crispy wings, to rib-eye ribs. You can make food like a professional. The Ninja Fryers are multi-purpose, offering a greater variety of food that you can prepare directly from the kitchen. The individual pieces of this air fryer have a special glue that makes cleaning easier also. We like how very easy it is to remove food residues. After you finish, you can also use a dishwasher for easy cleaning of the removable tray of your fryer. This brand is known for constant innovations that go beyond what we're used to seeing in ordinary kitchen appliances. The Ninja brand adds great value to its products, and also makes them easier to use. With the new Ninja Air Fryer you have more space for food, along with an unsurpassed cooking time of just a few minutes. The pre-programmed functions available at your disposal are frying, baking, heating, and dehydration. Also, to make things even easier, device comes with a one-click control panel. It also features tender crisp technology that helps cook faster and gives a crispy finish on the outside. It enables as much as 70% faster cooking than traditional methods. The Ninja Air Fryer comes with 14 levels of safety, so that users as well as food are always protected from all unwanted consequences. This fryer has a capacity of 3.79 liters and measures 13.6 by 11 by 13.3 inches. The weight is 4.9 pounds, for all you folks in pursuit of a more compact air fryer. We have singled out the Dash Compact Air Fryer. As the name suggests, this product has taken the title of the best compact air fryer on the market now. The Dash Compact Air Fryer utilizes clean air technology and a fast air circulation system to quickly burn ingredients while removing extra calories from extra oil. You will use 80% less oil when cooking in this compact fella, with the same delicious taste, but no extra calories. With an onboard 30-minute timer, the fryer automatically shuts off, eliminating the possibility of overcooking or burning. Furthermore, the non-stick basket is easy to clean, with no additional clutter. The temperature control wheel allows the user to adjust the heat for a variety of foods. Speaking of which, the Dash Compact Air Fryer boasts single temperature settings and easy timer readings for users to enjoy the most convenient control. Thanks to the compact size, the device is easily stored in just about any kitchen. It has a capacity of 1.2 liters, which is more than enough for less demanding users. The part of the Dash Compact can be washed in a dishwasher, saving you time. The device also utilizes air crisp technology instead of oil, which helps reduce the added fat by 70 to 80%, without sacrificing the taste of fried food. Also, no more residual odor. After eating, we like how the fryer heats up in less time than most similar items, making it more energy efficient. The automatic shut-off function prevents excessive cooking, while the case and the handle are crafted to make the device safer to use. It's so simple that your children can use it too. This is the perfect device for users looking to get all the goods, but have some space as well, plus that sleek design and trendy color options will accentuate any kitchen space. Great stuff. A thumbs up from here if compact models are simply not what you're looking for, and would instead like an air fryer with a large capacity for food preparation. Our next product is the right choice for you. Meet the Cosari Airfryer Max XL, aka the best large capacity air fryer available on the market now. This device sports as many as 11 programs for you to get a variety of crispy food, but with nutritious quality. With this oil-free fryer, you will achieve a significant reduction in calories. We just love how it cooks food through air convection at high speed. This fryer allows you to fry food in the least oil, and the action of air will quickly reduce the fat in meals by more than 80%, which will make your meals healthier. The Cosari Air Fryer Max XL offers 1100 volts of power, and is ideal for 1 to 6 people among. The most prominent features is the LED touch screen. Very easy to use. The control panel automatically adjusts the fryer, and even adjusts the temperature and cooking time. All it needs from you are the basic commands, and it's good to go preheating. The Cosari frying system is much faster than with other fryers. It will only take between 2 and 5 minutes, which will make the recipes of your dishes more refined. The 11 onboard programs are easy to use and highly intuitive, meaning that anyone can become an expert in the kitchen, without any complications whatsoever. This fryer is very comfortable to use and measures in at 11.8 by 11.8 by 12.6 inches, including a 9 by 9 inch basket. Additionally, the Cosari Air Fryer Max XL gives you the opportunity to program a reminder that it will instantly notify you that food needs a shake or two, making it easier to cook your food evenly once your food is cooked. The option to keep it warm for a certain amount of time is automatically activated. This option is perfect if you're waiting for guests. Thanks to the automatic shut-off, you won't have to worry about whether your food is raw or overcooked. This oil-free fryer will leave your food at the right time. The first place on our list of reviews went to Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. Based on all the reviews, opinions and experiences, we have concluded that this item delivers premium features and high durability, while maintaining the best possible price-quality ratio. Therefore, we awarded the title of the best overall air fryer available on the market now. The product features an interesting oven with many functions, such as dehydrating food. It also has a really fair and affordable price, designed as a multifunctional oven. The Vortex can perform several different functions: broil, which functions as a normal convection oven; air frying for frying without oil, making bread and pastries; gratin, reheat, dehydrate; and rotate, cooking. The fryer circulates hot air around the food at high speeds. creating a crispy layer on the outside and cooking it on the inside. In many cases, air frying can reduce cooking time, taking it down up to 20%. When compared to the conventional frying methods, the cooking time is also less than what you would need with a conventional convection oven. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer comes with a rotating drum that allows you to cook all the ingredients evenly. You can use this air fryer to fry all kinds of food: potatoes, sweet potatoes, kitchen wings, nuggets, all kinds of vegetables, roast walnuts, and much more. The time needed to heat this fryer oven is very short, and we love it. Furthermore, the capacity of this fryer is significantly higher than the capacity of most fryers on the market, especially in this price range. The built-in trays can take a fairly large amount of food, and handle it with ease. In addition to all these functions, the device can also function as a conventional oven, meaning that you can use this oven to bake all kinds of food. When you use these functions, the oven will warn you with a sound signal, to remind you to turn the food over, and achieve more homogeneous cooking each time you use one of the oven functions. The time and temperature settings will be saved. These values will be the one that the oven will use by default, the next time you use this function. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer includes a safety mechanism that makes the oven turn off automatically in case of exceeding the internal temperature of 232 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You added the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you.